Most people eat rice with meat or chicken on the side. But what if we created rice with meat already embedded in the rice grain itself? South Korean scientists created a new type of hybrid rice. The newly created hybrid rice is infused with beef muscles and fat cells grown in the laboratory. This creation offers a novel sustainable protein source. This hybrid food is described as having a texture firmer and more brittle than regular rice. This hybrid rice has an enhanced nutritional profile with 8% more protein and 7% more fat. It is produced by coating rice grains in fish gelatin. Fish gelatin acts as an adhesive for the beef cells and then culturing them in a petri dish for up to 11 days. This method not only promises a potential solution to food security issues, including famine relief, military rations, and even space food, but also significantly reduces environmental impact compared to traditional beef production. This new idea fits with the growing interest in lab-grown meat and other ways to get protein. People are interested in this because it can help with climate change and not use up too many resources. But some people don't like the idea, and there are rules against it. In some places, like Italy's move to ban lab-grown meat. Lab-grown meat is made by growing animal cells in a lab instead of raising and killing animals. To make this special rice with lab-grown beef inside, scientists take cells from live animals. They feed and grow these cells in a special place where they can grow into meat, just like it happens naturally in animals. This rice with lab-grown beef is a big step forward in finding sustainable ways to get protein. These kinds of foods could be really important in making sure we have enough food for the future, without harming the environment too much.